Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Marketo, automate marketing campaigns step by step clearly. To log into Marketo, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Marketo's login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Next, enter your password in the password field. Ensure your password is correct, as it is case-sensitive. Once both fields are filled out, look for the Login button. Click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Marketo dashboard. In case you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your email for password recovery. Check your email for further instructions from Marketo. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll have access to all marketing automation features. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. You are now ready to automate your marketing campaigns using Marketo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.